Okay, we're going to install the lower external guard on the Takeuchi TB290. Right here where the factory plugs are, we're putting in M10 by 20 millimeter hex bolts. And right here going to be M10 by 12 hex bolts. We're going to use a 19 millimeter socket head right here on these bolts to tighten the frame down. And then we're using a 17 millimeter ratchet on the other bolts. Okay, now we're going to install the upper onto the lower. We're going to place the upper on top of the lower. You're going to line the 4 holes. And we're going to secure it with 4 hex bolts. It's going to be hex bolt and washer, and then we're going to come back underneath with another washer and a nylon lock nut. We're just going to finger tighten these for now. We're going to use a 17 millimeter socket and wrench. Tighten this up. We're going to place 4 more M10 by 20s into the factory threaded plugs where they were. And then we're going to come back and tighten those up. Now to install the top portion of the external guard, we're going to place this bracket here using the M12 by 20 bolt into where this factory threaded plug was. We're going to hand tighten it, and then we're going to come back and tighten it to the top of the external frame. We're going to finger tighten that bracket. You're going to do it on both the driver and passenger side. And then we're going to place the top portion of the external cab guard on the brackets. We're going to use the M12 by 20 back here, 2 locations. Then we're going to attach the frame to the bracket. Once you tighten everything up, that is the full external guard installed.